Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Abridged edition. Introduction. An abridged edition refers to an abbreviated or condensed version of a literary work. The primary aim of abridgment is to shorten a longer text while preserving its essential elements. This process may be undertaken to save space, reduce complexity, or tailor the content to specific readerships or publishing formats. Reasons for abridging texts. There are several reasons why a text might be abridged. In some cases, abridgment helps to filter out passages that may be deemed unsuitable for particular audiences. For example, content that might be considered too explicit, sensitive, or complex can be modified or omitted to make material more accessible or appropriate for its intended readers. Abridgment in educational contexts. A notable application of abridgment occurs in educational settings, particularly in school editions of classic literature like those of Shakespeare. These editions are often abridged to omit content that might offend the sensibilities of adolescents or to simplify the language and themes for educational purposes. This practice helps educators introduce complex literature to younger audiences in a more digestible form. Ethical and cultural considerations. The practice of abridging texts also raises ethical and cultural questions. It involves decisions about what content is appropriate or essential, which can be subjective and vary widely across different cultures and communities. The process of abridgment therefore requires careful consideration to balance fidelity to the original work with the needs and values of contemporary readers. So this was the discussion on the term abridged edition. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.